Yeah, so we got this valve grinder here from Robins. We are doing titanium valve now. A high accuracy on the run out, and the finish is unbelievable good. And you can also do steel valve on this. The finish will be better, whatever you can imagine. Yeah, so we are using a new valve grinder from Robins. We are actually grinding titanium valve for so that can be recoated and save us a lot of money because grind a titanium valve is easy, send them for recoating, and the valve is like new. And even though it's even better than new because when you got a titanium valve, you got more run out than we can make here. So here again, we're doing this titanium valve here, um, and they are better than new when we are finished with them. Um, the run out is like close to 0 to 2, 3 micron, and but most important nearly is the finish. The RA is unbelievable good. Yeah.